1. If a company's revenue increased from 100 to 120, what is the percent increase? A. 15%. B. 18%. C. 20%. D. 25%. 2. A pie chart shows 40% apples, 60% oranges. If 200 fruits total, how many oranges? A. 80%. B. 100%. C. 120%. D. 140%. 3. A bar graph shows sales of 10, 15, 20, 25. Which month highest sales? A. Month 4. B. Month 3. C. Month 2. D. Month 1. 4. If ratio of men to women is 3 to 2 in a group of 50, how many women? A. 20. B. 25. C. 30. D. 35. 5. If inventory dropped from 500 to 450, what is percent decrease? A. 5%. B. 8%. C. 10%. D. 12%. 6. Line graph shows temperature rising from 20 degrees to 30 degrees over 5 days. What is average daily rise? A. 2 degrees Celsius. B. 2.5 degrees Celsius. C. 3 degrees Celsius. D. 4 degrees Celsius. 7. If x-axis unit is 10, each bar height represents units. Which bar at 5 is actual 50 or A? 50, B. 5. C. 500. D. 10. 8. A survey pie chart shows 25% preferred tea of 800 respondents. How many? A. 100. B. 150. C. 200. D. 250. 9. In a table, revenue 100 costs 70. What is profit margin percent? A. 20%. B. 25%. C. 30%. D. 35%. 10. A line chart shows 100,150,125 average value. A. 125. B. 133. C. 140. D. 150. 11. If attendance increases from 80 to 120 over 4 weeks, average weekly increase? A. 10. B. 15. C. 20. D. 25. 12. Bar chart categories ABC values 10, 20, 30. Which share is C percentage? A. 33%. B. 40%. C. 50%. D. 60%. 13. If 30 of class of 120 passed, percent passed? A. 25%. B. 30%. C. 33%. D. 35%. 14. Table shows apples 50, oranges 75. What ratio apples to total? A. 2:5. B. 2:3. C. 5:8. D. 3:5. 15. Pie chart expense 30%, rent, utilities 20%, food, remainder, savings percent? A. 50%. B. 40%. C. 30%. D. 20%. 16. Graph shows population 1000, 1100, 1210 compound growth rate. A. 10%. B. 9%. C. 11%. D. 12%. 17. A dataset contains outlier 100 values, mostly 10 mean is affected how? A. Greatly. B. Slightly. C. Not at all. D. None. 18. Bar chart shows revenue months Jan February 200-300% increase February versus Jan. A. 33%. B. 50%. C. 66%. D. 100%. 19. If motive data set 23345. A. 3. B. 2. C. 4. D. 5. 20. Mean of 579 is? A. 7. B. 8. C. 9. D. 10. 21. Median of 13579 is? A. 5. B. 4. C. 6. D. 7. 22. Range of 10, 15, 20, 25. A. 15. B. 10. C. 20. D. 5. 23. Standard deviation concept measures what? A. Spread. B. Central value. C. Sum of values. D. Range. 24. If sales data skewed right, mean versus median? A. Mean median. B. Mean median. C. Mean equals median. D. Cannot tell. 25. Correlation coefficient near -1 indicates? A. Strong negative. B. Strong positive. C. No correlation. D. Moderate negative. 26. A trend line slope positive means what? A. Positive relation. B. Negative relation. C. No relation. D. Inverse relation. 27. If probability of event is 0.2 chance of not event? A. 20%. B. 80%. C. 50%. D. 100%. 28. Expected value of fair die roll, 1 to 6. A. 3.5. B. 3. C. 4. D. 3.8. 29. If certain 50% chance sample size increase effect on confidence? A. Increase. B. Decrease. C. Stay same. D. Inverse. 30. Box plot median line position shows? A. Median. B. Mean. C. Mode. D. Quartile. 31. Histogram shows right skew tail extends right indicates? A. Outliers high. B. Outliers low. C. Mean shifted. D. Better symmetry. 32. Averages, arithmetic, geometric, harmonic. Which smallest for numbers 1? A. Harmonic. B. Geometric. C. Arithmetic. D. All equal. 33. If 2 dice roll probability sum 7? A. 1/6. B. 1/12. C. 1/36. D. 5/36. 34. Given 4 cards drawn, suit hearts probability? A. 1.4, B. 1.13, C. 1.52, D. 1.3. 35. Data table shows class score average 80 is mean arithmetic true? A. Yes. B. No. C. Cannot tell. D. Possibly. 36. If CPI increased 2% and wages 3 real wage change? A. 1% increase. B. 1% decrease. C. 5% increase. D. 5% decrease. 37. If revenue 100 costs 60 profit margin? A. 40%. B. 30%. C. 60%. D. 50%. 38. Forecast versus actual difference absolute percent error? A. B. Forecast actual. C. Actual. D. Forecast actual. 39. Regression line intercept value meaning? A. Value when x equals 0. B. Slope value. C. Correlation. D. Trend. 40. For sample size 100 SD of P? A. 0.40.6100 is equal to 0.049. B. 0.4. C. 0.6. D. 0.05. 41. In data series sum of deviations from mean? A. 0. B. Positive. C. Negative. D. Varying. 42. Confidence interval wider if sample size? A. Decrease. B. Increase. C. Same. D. 0. 43. If event A prob 0.3 event B 0.5 independent prob both? A. 0.15. B. 0.8. C. 0.2. D. 0.5. 44. Pie chart 360 degrees correspond to 100% segment of 90 degrees equals percent? A. 25%. B. 20%. C. 30%. D. 15%. 45. If hourly wage $20 work 40 hours gross pay? A. $800. B. $400. C. $600. D. $1,000. 46. Discount 10% from $50 new price? A. $45. B. $40. C. $48. D. $50. 47. Compound interest formula annual on 1,000 at 5% after 2 years? A. 1,102.5. B. 1050. C. 1100. D. 1150. 48. If growth rate or equals 0.05 doubling time approximate? A. 75 is equal to 14 years. B. 10 years. C. 12 years. D. 20 years. 49. If probability of at least one head and 2 flips? A. 3-4. B. 1-4. C. 1-2. D. 7-8. D. 7-8. 50. Correlation type categorical data measured by? A. Chi-square. B. Pearson. C. Spearman. D. Regression. D. B. Pearson. C. Spearman. D. Regression. 51. 2 means compared test more data size effect on power? A. Increase. B. Decrease. C. No effect. D. Inverse. 52. Z-score of value equal mean is? A. 0, B. 1. C. -1. D. Undefined. 53. Convert fraction 0.25 to percent. A. 0.25%. B. 2.5%. C. 250%. D. 0.25%. 54. A survey 400 responses 120% positive? A. 30%. B. 20%. C. 40%. D. 50%. 55. In regression are 2 of 0.64 means? A. 64% variance explained. B. 36% unexplained. C. 64 var unexplained. D. 36 var explained. 56. If dataset normal mean equal median true? A. True. B. False. C. Cannot tell. D. Sometimes. 57. Box plot IQR middle 50% represented by? A. Q1 to Q3. B. Min to max. C. Median line. D. Whiskers. 58. If sample mean differs from null hypothesis using value less than 0.05 reject? A. Yes. B. No. C. Maybe. D. Cannot tell. 59. Sample proportion 0.5 margin of error approximate for 95% CI? A. 0.05. B. 0.1. C. 0.025. D. 0.5. 60. Data table shows values sorted ascending type of order? A. Ordinal. B. Nominal. C. Interval. D. Ratio. E. Ratio. 61. If correlation coefficient 0 means? A. No linear relation. B. Strong relation. C. Moderate relation. D. Perfect. 62. Decision tree analysis data type suited? A. Categorical. B. Continuous. C. Both types. D. None. 63. In probability cumulative distribution function sum 2? A. 1. B. 0. C. -1. D. Varies. 64. In discrete distribution PMF probability sum 2? A. 1. B. 0. C. 100. D. Depends. 65. Likelihood ratio 1 favors? A. Alternative hypothesis. B. Null hypothesis. C. Both equally. D. None. 66. ROC curve area under curve closer to 1 means? A. Excellent model. B. Poor model. C. Random. D. Inconclusive. 67. Chi-square test compares? A. Expected versus observed. B. Means difference. C. Correlation. D. Variance. 68. ANOVA tests means across how many groups? A. 3 or more. B. 2. C. 1. D. 4. 69. Outlier detection using score threshold plus or minus 3 signals. A. True. B. False. C. Sometimes. D. Rare. 70. Time series seasonal component repeats. A. Regularly. B. Never. C. Randomly. D. Occasionally. 71. Moving average smoothing reduces what? A. Noise. B. Trend. C. Signal. D. Data volume. 72. Forecast bias if actual always lower than forecast implies. A. Over forecasting. B. Under forecasting. C. Accurate. D. Random error. 73. Cross-tabulation tables show. A. Categorical relationship. B. Means. C. Correlation. D. Regression. 74. Logistics regression outcome type. A. Binary. B. Continuous. C. Counts. D. Nominal. 75. Means clustering used for. A. Unsupervised classification. B. Regression. C. Forecasting. D. Hypothesis test. 76. Principal component analysis used to. A. Reduce dimensionality. B. Predict values. C. Test means. D. Classification. 77. Sample skew positive tail right means. A. Mean median. B. Mean median. C. Mode median. D. None. 78. Sample kurtosis high means tail heaviness. A. True. B. False. C. Cannot tell. D. Modest. 79. Data imputation missing values method average or median what type? A. Single imputation. B. Multiple imputation. C. Listwise deletion. D. Hot deck. 80. Time series autocorrelation detect what? A. Serial dependence. B. Random error. C. Outliers. D. Mean shifts. 81. Proportion test comparing sample 0.3 to hypothesized 0.25 which test? A. Z-test. B. T-test. C. chi-square. D. ANOVA. 82. Data mining classification versus regression output differs by. A. Category versus value. B. Value versus category. C. Both same. D. Depends. 83. SQL count returns. A. Total rows. B. Column values. C. Null values. D. Distinct only. 84. Query select some count computes. A. Mean. B. Median. C. Mode. D. Range. 85. Distinct in SQL removes. A. Duplicates. B. Nulls. C. All rows. D. Special characters 86. Group by SQL groups by. A. column values. B. Row numbers. C. File types. D. Index columns. 87. Data warehouse ETL means A. Extract transform load. B. Earn test load. C. Extract online transaction. D. Evaluate then load. 88. OLAP used for A. Multi-dimensional analysis. B. Online transaction. C. ETL. D. Data storage. 89. Data visualization best to show distribution. A. Histogram. B. Pie chart. C. Line graph. D. Table. 90. Best chart to compare parts of a whole. A. Pie chart. B. Bar chart. C. Scatter plot. D. Line chart. 91. Scatter plot shows A. Relationship. B. Distribution. C. Frequency. D. Sum. 92. Bubble chart adds which axis? A. Size. B. Color. C. Shape. D. Label. 93. Heat map visual best for showing correlation. A. True. B. False. C. Sometimes. D. Rare. 94. Dashboard KPIs summary shows A. Key metrics. B. Raw data. C. All charts. D. None. 95. ETL scheduling ensures what? A. Timely data load. B. Data entry. C. Data deletion. D. User access. 96. Data pipeline transforms data at which stage? A. During transfer. B. At ingestion. C. During analysis. D. After reporting. 97. Data governance ensures A. Data quality. B. Chart design. C. User interface. D. Data speed. 98. GDPR focuses on A. Data privacy. B. Data mining. C. Data storage. D. Data speed. 99. Anonymization removes A. Identifiable. B. Summary data. C. All data. D. None. 100. Data lineage tracks A. Data origin. B. Data quality scores. C. Data volume. D. Data storage. 101. Scripting language for data analysis often A. Python. B. HTML. C. CSS. D. JavaScript. 102. Are language specialized for A. Statistical computing. B. Web design. C. Video editing. D. Office documents. 103. Data frame structure has A. Rows and columns. B. Graphs. C. Reports. D. Images. 104. JSON stores data in A. Key value pairs. B. Tables. C. Blobs. D. Forms. 105. XML tags enclose data how? A. Value. B. C. Tag value. D. Tag value. 106. NoSQL databases are good for? A. Unstructured data. B. Numeric only. C. Tables only. D. Images only. 107. Data lake stores? A. Raw data. B. Reports. C. Dashboards. D. ETL jobs. 108. Stream processing data type? A. Real-time. B. Batch only. C. Archived. D. Report. Neither. 109. JSON versus XML lightweight? A. JSON. B. XML. C. Both. D. Neither. 110. API fetches data using? A. HTTP request. B. SQL select. C. FTP. D. SMTP. 111. CSV file column delimiter usually? A. Comma. B. Semicolon. C. Tab. D. Pipe. 112. Big data characterized by? A. Volume variety velocity. B. Volume only. C. Wide data. D. Unsupervised. 113. ETL error logging useful for? A. Debugging. B. Presentation. C. Security alert. D. Compliance. 114. Data sampling random versus stratified which preserves subgroup proportions? A. Stratified. B. Random. C. Both. D. None. 115. Cross-validation used for? A. Model evaluation. B. Data cleaning. C. Visualization. D. Storage. 116. Overfitting indicates model performs better on training but worse on? A. Test set. B. Validation set. C. Production. D. All data. 117. Holdout validation splits data into train and? A. Train test. B. Test only. C. Train only. D. Validation only. 118. Feature scaling technique standardizes mean to 0 and stev to 1? A. Standardization. B. Normalization. C. Binning. D. Encoding. 119. One-hot encoding transforms categorical to? A. Binary vectors. B. Numeric only. C. Text. D. Date. 120. Confusion matrix shows true positive false? A. Positive false negative. B. Negative true positive. C. True negative false positive. D. Prediction error. Wonderlic data interpretation test. The Wonderlic data interpretation test evaluates a candidate's ability to analyze, interpret, and draw conclusions from numerical and graphical data. This test includes questions based on charts, tables, graphs, and basic mathematical scenarios. Candidates are assessed on their ability to identify trends, compare values, calculate percentages, and apply logic to real-world problems. It measures both quantitative reasoning and the ability to make informed decisions using data. Strong performance on this test demonstrates a candidate's proficiency in understanding data-driven information, which is essential for roles that involve planning, analysis, reporting, and critical thinking in professional environments. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the Wonderlic Data Interpretation Test. 1. Enhanced analytical skills. The test measures the ability to interpret graphs, charts, and tables, key for roles in business, tech, and finance. 2. Better job performance. Strong data interpretation helps in decision-making, performance tracking, and identifying trends in real-time data. 3. Career advancement. High scores can position candidates for promotions in data-driven roles like project management, operations, and analysis. 4. Competitive edge in hiring. Employers use this test to screen for candidates who can quickly and accurately extract insights from data. 5. Workplace efficiency. Mastery leads to more confident and efficient handling of reports, metrics, and KPIs across departments.